In this video presentation, we're going to see how we change the router prompt to something more usable. Currently, my command prompt on this router says router. That's not very helpful. I should be using something to recognize it, such as the location where the router is or what it does, or basically even the manufacturer's make or model. So I'm going to go ahead and hit enter. That brings me up to the user executive mode. I'm going to type in EN. That's going to take me to the privilege executive mode. Now I need to go into the configuration mode for this because I'm configuring the router. So I'm going to type in config T, and that brings me up to the global configuration mode. Now I'm going to type in hostname space, and I don't know the rest of the syntax, so I'm going to type in question mark. That brings me up the rest of the syntax, which in this case just happens to be a word value. So I can call this anything I want to, but I'm going to use something that makes it easy for me to recognize this router if I see it. Now I'm going to type in hostname 2501A. I hit enter, and you'll notice that my prompt changed to 2501A. Now I just made a mistake. Now I need to get this back to where it says 2501A. So what I'm going to do now is type in no host name, and I'm going to hit enter, and that brings me back to my old router prompt, which is the default, which says router. Now we can go back in and we can fix it. So I'm going to type in host name, and I'm going to type in 25, this time 01A. I'm going to hit enter, and you'll notice my prompt changes to what I want it to have. Now I'm just going to Control Z out, then I'm going to type in exit, and that takes me right out. Now when I hit enter, you'll notice that my command prompt for this router has changed to 2501A.